Hi everyone, and welcome to Intro to Belly Dance series. Today we're going to be practicing the Egyptian bump. So I hope you took a little bit of time to warm up on your own or do my belly dance warm-up video. And I'd like you to bring your weight back onto your left foot and prop your right foot up in front of you, rotating your body a little bit. Take a nice little bend into your back leg, okay? Always keeping this leg bent. Chest is lifted, pelvis is slightly tucked. Let's open our arms. Imagine that you have your hands full. You walk through the door and you need to shut the door. What do? Bump. We bump it with our hip. So it's called belly dancing because we're using our oblique muscle to lift our hip, okay? The way that I'm not bouncing up and down is because I'm holding my weight in my back leg so much. Keeping that back leg really bent. It's going to get tired. Nice workout. Arms open, chest lifted, and hip goes up, 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 and up. Nice and strong. Squeezing up, 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 up. Breathing up, up. Few more squeeze. Snatch, squeeze, squeeze, and up, 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 up. Double time. Up, 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 up. And rest. Good. Let's try the other side. Bringing your weight over onto your right foot. Bend the knee. Propping up onto the toe very lightly. Not too much weight into that toe, please. And then taking our arms out at our sides. Taking a little tuck of your pelvis. A lift of your chest, smiling and breathing, squeezing with your oblique, we bump, and bump, bump, and bump, and up, 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 and up, 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 again, up, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, really squeeze, nice and strong, boom, boom, like you're closing the door, boom, boom, and double time, and up, 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 and rest. Very nice. Let's try going back and forth. So nice and slowly to begin. Our weight is on our back leg, knee is bent, and we bump, bump, switch, bump, switch. And notice I am twisting, not much weight on that front foot. Actually, by idea, we can do it without the foot on the floor at all, okay? Because we're using and lifting from our belly, our obliques. A little faster. And bump, 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 and bump. Let's bump in a circle. So one hip up, weight on our back leg. I'm gonna be pivoting on one leg, yeah? Arms are up, here we go. And bump, 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 moving forward. Bump, 6, 7, 8. Other side, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Switching, 1, 2, 3, 4, big bump, 5, 6, 7, 8. Once more, bump, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Just a few times for fun. Let's practice it without our foot on the floor, just to get an idea of how much we're gonna use that oblique. So, taking this leg into a little parallel passe and squeeze, 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 a little faster, up, 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 and rest. Other side, whew. Remembering keeping your standing leg bent for support and so we don't bounce, yeah? Staying nice and still. And up, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Double time, up, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and rest. Very nice, ladies or gentlemen. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you soon.